that increases the chances for something to happen, because now she's like, oh, this guy has balls, and I know he likes me. What's up? You look stoned as fuck. I know. I smell. I like the smell of weed. I'm Sasha. You are. How you doing? Good to meet you. So, what's going on?
So, I have this friend I recently met, but I met her off of mutual friends, but they're like, how can I say, really close friends. And we started talking more. Like, seeing each other more, and I don't know, like,
do I make the jump to, like, be in a relationship with her? She's just a really cool girl. She's been pretty, and I don't come by those often, like, someone who you can really connect with. So I'm like, how do I, like, transition to that, like, without fucking it up?
But I'm trapped in the friend zone.
Hang on. So right now, you guys are just friends?
Yeah. And I'm trying to, like, be a girl. I'm trying to, like, be a little, like, give a hint, you know what I mean? But I don't know if she's reading them or not, you know?
Well, the problem with hints is, yeah, you might not be communicating in a way she understands. She might not be getting the hints. Some people do, some people don't. And then she might be getting them, but she's not sure if you're actually giving hints. So it's all very confusing, you see? So if you really want to put it out there that you really like this girl and whatever, the best way to do it is have a very, especially because you're already friends, just have a really honest conversation about it. Just say, hey, you know, whatever version of this that feels right. But hey, you know what? You're awesome. I think you're great. Tell her the truth about how you feel. You know, tell her, like, you're fun. Whatever quality she has, like, say you're great, you're fun, we get along great, I love your personality, you're such a cool person, and I think we could be more than friends. And I feel that there's a potential for that with us. And do you feel anything that something like that could happen between us? You don't have to say, don't come at it needy, like, I love you, I want to be just with you. I don't want to do that, but just put it out there. Just say, hey, you know, like, I love having you as a friend. You're an amazing friend. But I feel we could be more than friends. You know, I think you're super cute too, and is that something you'd want to explore? And be absolutely okay with whatever happens. If she goes, no, I just want to be friends, that's cool. Because the thing is, if there really is a real spark there, if there really is, if it was kind of meant to be, it will be anyway. It doesn't even matter what you do. So the number one thing, if you had to ask me, is, Sasha, I have a question for you. What's the number one thing that's responsible for men being in the friend zone? And it's called being a bitch. That's the number one thing. You're in the friend zone because you don't make a move. That's why. And you don't make a move because you're afraid of rejection. And you're afraid of rejection because you're a pussy. Sorry, but it's true. You're not a man who takes chances. You've built a life and lived a life where you've allowed yourself not to take chances. We are the sum total of all the decisions we've made in life, including, are we going to take the chance or are we not going to take the chance, right? A little practical advice. If you want to become that guy who does make difficult decisions that will force you to become a better person, do things that are hard. Like, when's the last time you went and did some jiu-jitsu? Go get your ass kicked at a jiu-jitsu class, right? Or go and, like, volunteer to do some, like, hard-ass fucking labor or something actually difficult that you don't want to do, that you're like, oh my God, that's going to be hard. The thing that I've been teaching for years is social freedom, having guys push their social boundaries. It's a way where you can really challenge yourself and challenge your ego without actually getting killed. By jumping, you know, like, you don't have to do something actually dangerous. For the ego, it feels like it's under attack if you put yourself in a situation where people think you're a dick. Hey, I'm not hitting on you or anything, but would you like to go on a social freedom for dating boot camp with me sometime in Europe or North America? If so, check out the link below and come meet me in the flesh.
That sounds like very good advice, man. I'll take you up on your advice. I'll do that. And
Authenticity and truth and honesty is always the way forward. Just keep it real. Just keep it real. That's it.
yeah.
How old are you?
Oh, 22, man.
22, very young. And how many, like, kind of girlfriends have you had?
I like to take it, like, I like to really connect with the person, you know, like, there has to be, like, a special bond. Like,
Rare to meet people we really, really connect with. That's why it's so important to be totally authentic, because if you're totally authentic and they feel that, they want to be around you. And so it's very easy. And it's the problem is that guys are always doing this bullshit, trying to show off, trying to tell stories, doing all this manipulative stuff, getting girls drunk, spending money on them. It's like, no, that's not the right way. It's not real. It's fake. Be yourself. Just be absolutely true to yourself. Be honest with everyone, including with your sexual intentions. And the women who are into it are going to be into it. And they'll no matter what happens, they'll have respect for you. Even if this friend of yours says, you know, to be honest, I don't feel we're just friends. The fact that you were up front and were like, listen, I got a crush on you. I think this could be. She's going to respect you more. And in fact, just by you being up front, that increases the chances of her kind of for something to happen, because now she's like, oh, this guy has balls, and I know he likes me, so maybe in 3 months she'll change her mind or something will happen or whatever. Who knows? But by putting it out there, you're doing everything you can do. Just put it out there, and if it happens, it happens. That's it. If not, not. It's all good.
It's like we've been like going out, right? But I was just trying to like make these like things like sometimes meaningful or like have like a meaning to them. Sometimes we'll see something like, I don't know. It's New York. We always go out to like museums and shit, and we like see like abstract art or like pictures shot very weird, and or like so we went to IKEA for some furniture with her, and we saw this girl.
Kia, damn son, you're definitely in the friend zone right now. Shit.
Hon, our sink is broken. And all of our sinks are broken.
But we saw this girl. So at IKEA, there's a space you can see down. Sorry, I'm kind of stoned. You see the space down, and like there's this dude getting head from some girl in the fucking public, and I was like, holy shit, do you see that? And then I was like, I try to bring that up, like like later on, like, try to make you. I really don't know, man. Like if I'm doing it right.
No, if your way of hitting on a girl is being like, hey, did you see that other guy getting head in public? That's not the way to do it. If you're gonna do something a little bit more bold, just have a moment where it's kind of an intimate moment, or you're kind of close, and just move closer and just give her a kiss and see if she freaks out or not. But I think it's better just to be straight up and just tell her how you feel.
Thank you, man.
Heard of a guy called Sasha Daygame? You gotta Google Sasha Daygame, bro.
Hey, it's your buddy Sasha. Did you know I'm actually teaching direct dating courses in the flesh this year in Europe and North America? Did you know that? All the details are below, so click the link and maybe I'll see you soon.
All right, my friend. Come here, give me a hug. No problem. See, you're awkward with the hugs.